Our story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and loaded with features. Features also include cruise control, cloth seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2016 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.